Alright guys, so today we have the Cam Nova 4K 60 input, 1080p 60 FPS and broadcast live stream. Got this on Amazon for around 20 something bucks. I can't remember the exact price, probably a little, it was like 20 something. Just comparing it to this guy, the Cam Link 4K. Now I forgot how much this retails for, but I know right now you probably can't get this less than 160. So yeah, create live creation in 4K at full HD. I know this does 1080p. It says unencrypted HDMI, 4K up to 30 frames, and it does 1080p up to 60 frames. And you can see the specs down there. This one kind of says input 4K 60 and capture 1080p 60 frames a second. So I don't think this one, I think this one captures 4K, but I don't think it outputs 4K. I think it just outputs the highest 1080p 60. I normally have an unboxing knife. I don't have one. I don't have an unboxing knife now. I don't know where any of my knives are, so I'll be doing this by hand. Alright, so, and I'm gonna unhook my camera so you can see the size difference. Hold on. Alright, so this is the Cam Link 4K. You can see right there, Cam Link 4K. And let's go ahead and unbox this Cam Nova here. In your box you have, oh wow, they just have it sitting here. No, it's not secured in anything, so you can see it's substantially smaller, but it's more dense. So it seems like this is just bulk, this casing, because this is dense. This is like really dense. So you can see there, LED, both have that. Both USB 3.0. This one seems like it, I don't know, it don't got no regulation things on there. Are they on the box? Nothing on the, oh yeah, they got it on the box right here. Those little regulation deals. So yeah, this is it. And the box comes with, let's see what we got here. I guess this is, let me get it open really quickly. This is HDMI to HDMI. I won't be using that. Well, I will, but not for this. I'll be using this. HDMI to HDMI. Oh no, I won't even be using this. They don't even include, see in the pack they had a different one. It's like an HDMI micro. But I have one already, so I'm gonna be plugging this in and testing it on my camera to see how it looks. Okay, so this is me on the Cam Nova. I can't see any difference. I can't see any difference really between that and the Cam Link. I can't really see a difference as far as anything goes. I know the Cam Link does do the Cam Link, you can do a record in 4K up to 4K 30. So, you know, no one really records in 30 frames a second. So maybe 24 frames, 4K 24, 25 if you want that filmic look. But the only question is durability, and not so much durability, but how long will the Cam Nova actually last. I'm kind of disappointed they didn't give me a HDMI to HDMI micro. but I mean, for the 18 bucks, I can't get mad. I think I have an adapter here somewhere anyway. So I'm using this because what happened is I had an additional capture card, and I sold it to a friend because, you know, they wanted to get into streaming. So I sold it to them at a highly discounted rate, you know, just to help them out or whatever, because you can't find like any ElGato capture cards for less than 150 right now. So I gave him a generous deal on it so he can get his streaming and stuff started. But when I did that, I forgot, like, Jesus, I can't, if I wanted to do a stream where I wanted to open up card packs or something, like I don't really do Pokemon, but like Marvel trading cards, I want to do a stream like that soon. I don't have a secondary camera to point at my desk to do that, so I went and got the Cam Nova as a solution to that. In addition to, I have a 4K 60 Pro, but that's for my main computer. I have this, and this is for my primary. So this Cam Nova will be used for the GoPro. So if I want to do like a secondary shot, or, you know, point my camera down at my desk to show like the card packs or whatever I'm doing, if I want to do toy reviews or whatever, then I can do that. So that's what I primarily bought the Cam Nova for. So far, so good. I'm getting, well, I don't have tested, but it looks the exact same as my Cam Link. It looks the exact same as the Cam Link. So it does say here 60 frames a second as I'm looking at OBS. So I'm getting 1080p 60 frames. So yeah, I mean, that's good to know that and it works with console. So if you wanted to do something non-intensive, like say you wanted to stream on like a base PS4 or an Xbox, and you really didn't care, because I don't think this has HDR pass-through, nor does this. So I mean, you know, if you wanted to game in your full and get all the capabilities of your system, like your 4K HDR, I don't think this card would be for you. You want to go ahead and spend a little bit more money on the card. But if you're streaming retro consoles, all you have to go out and do is get something like this. There we go. All right, so you can go ahead and get something like this. It basically converts that AV signal into HDMI signal. So if I wanted to go ahead and stream on this guy here and not have to unplug my current computer, I could either go straight through here, or if it had a retro console, I could go straight, you know, I can go through here and do a retro, you know, stream or whatever with that, because all I needed, it's 1080p 60. So if I wanted to do Switch or any other console that was just 1080p 60, you could do it. But anything like a PS4 Pro or Xbox One X or PS5 or Xbox Series X, you'll probably have a little bit of trouble with that capture card, unless you didn't want to use your HDR and all of that stuff. But I'm sure when you're gaming and you paid $300 and $400 and $500 for those consoles, I'm sure you want the bang for your buck. So like I said, if you're planning on streaming something high resolution, high frame rate, this is not the card for you. But if you just need it for a camera, or if you just need it for a console that, you know, maxes out at 1080p 60, this is the card. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll do some more extensive tests, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.